It's Edward Roski, and I'm asking good questions. So, what does it mean when the thing that finally cracks a 60-year-old math problem has never taken a single math class? And is that actually good? So, Liam Price is 23 years old. No graduate degree, no mathematical pedigree, no office in a research department somewhere with a whiteboard and a coffee machine that's never been cleaned. He's not a janitor at some impressive school in Boston. No, Liam typed a single prompt into ChatGPT on a Monday afternoon and posted what came back to a public forum for open math problems. I've spent entire weeks generating less useful output, and I actually have a math background that somehow makes this sting more. Anyway, what came back was a proof of Erdős problem number 1196, which was a number theory conjecture Paul Erdős posed in 1968 that the world's best mathematicians have worked on for 6 decades without being able to crack it. Within 24 hours, Terence Tao, who is arguably the greatest living mathematician, he's the one that makes the other mathematicians feel really inadequate at parties. Terence had read the proof, verified it, and started extending it into an entirely new branch of mathematical theory. Tao said that the mathematicians who worked on this problem collectively made a slight wrong turn at move 1. Every expert who tried it shared an assumption about where to start. GPT 5.4 Pro had no idea that math assumption actually existed. It reached into Markov chain theory, which is a branch of probability mathematics, which actually isn't number theory at all, and applied a 90-year-old formula that nobody had thought to connect to this class of problems. Oxford mathematician Jared Lichtman called the raw output quite poor, which is the academic equivalent of finding a diamond in a gravel pile and going, well, it has gravel all over it, so gross. But the insight was buried in noise, and it took a human to excavate it. GPT 5.4 Pro didn't solve this the way mathematicians are supposed to solve problems. It solved it the way someone would who has read every single thing ever written about mathematics, but internalized none of the professional consensus about which approaches are dead ends. The mental block wasn't the math. It was 60 years of accumulated expert wisdom, passed from advisor to student and so on, that pointed everyone to the same starting square over there when they really should have been probably over there somewhere. If the most valuable thing about AI in mathematics is that it doesn't know what it's not supposed to try, what does that imply about every other hard problem, mathematics or otherwise, that we've spent decades collectively agreeing is unsolvable from every possible angle, except the one that everyone starts with? Well, until next time, keep asking good questions.